Ayun, naubusan ako ng memory. O sige, tapusin na natin to. So, ayun, when it comes to sa programs and initiatives, yep, I gather data. So, that's my process. Yung mga programs and initiatives, meron talaga itong pinanggagalingan. Um, and it wasn't created overnight. It took me for about a year before ko i-execute itong mga programs and initiatives na to na I think could help yung community na establish natin. You can go back naman to my reels or even to the website. Nandun yung details of the programs and initiative. Ako nasanay na rin lang ako na sa daming challenges na dumating sa akin right after nagbago yung buhay ko after being a potter. Madaming learnings, to be honest. Um, Madaming nangyari. Uh, yung nananayan ko na who really believed in me sa kakayanan ko kahit during college pa, um, passed away. Hindi ko man lang siya inabutan. Pagbalik ko dito, parang a day before a day before kami magkita after pagkalabas ko sa quarantine, um, nagkaroon siya ng brain aneurysm. Nawala agad siya in just 2-3 days. So, ayun. Now, one of my exes died too. Ito naman yung nag-pave way for me from corporate world para ma-pursue ko yung art. So, ang daming masakit. My 8-year relationship, we broke up because of, alam mo yun, parang siyang trade-off eh. It's a trade-off of what I'm, I'm experiencing right now. Opportunities is giving to me. Madami ring distractions. Yeah, intentional man or hindi intentional na distractions, I'm fully aware. So, yeah. um, Ayoko nang isa-isahin siya. Pero, yep, kung sino makapanood nito, I know. Alam ko, I am very watch aware. I just chose not to engage. Kasi, walang madudulot siyang mabuti if I will engage. And like what I've said, my competition is myself. I don't want to compete to anyone. And my purpose here is very clear sa akin kung ano yung purpose ko dito. So, yeah. Um, I just want to do pottery and help my community. That's it. So, maybe tulungan nyo na lang siguro kami. Tulungan nyo na lang ako. Magtulungan na lang tayo. Yeah. Hindi rin natin kasi may iwasan na meron talaga mga ganitong tao that are meant to hurt us. Yeah, sometimes to destroy us in whatever way possible. Pero what I can say is, yeah, I still pray for them. Wala naman na tayong magagawa dun eh. Hopefully magkaroon sila ng change of heart. So, ayun, ayoko nang i-discuss yun. Kasi talagang ang daming heartaches ko from the past years na nagpo-progress yung life ko. And yun yung matatawag nating life. Yung in-between of that years. Yun yung life. Ano yung life ko for those years. So, challenging siya. Yeah. Very colorful. And I'm still always praying na i-guide ako ni Lord kung ano man itong binigay niya na task sa akin. So, yeah. Yun yung updates, I guess, for now. Asa na ako right after completing the program. There's more to come. Ang dami ko pang dapat gawin. And I'm just so privileged na nagkagawa ko to. Kasi hindi lahat nabibigyan ng ganitong pagkakataon. And I'm just so thankful. Mabigat yung task na binigay sa akin. Meron naman akong choice not to do it, pero hindi ko ma-fulfill yung life ko in a meaningful and purposeful way. I think, yeah, yeah, it is a calling. Kapag may tinatanong sa akin, paano ka napunta sa, ano, it's sabihin mo cheesy, yes, it is a calling. So, yep, I'm tired. Medyo tired ako. Yung Pottery Caravan, it's taking too much energy from me. Pero I know, hindi natin nakikita ngayon yung results niyan. But I'm telling you, a few years from now, magkakaroon siya ng saysay. So, yeah. Hanggang October pa siya. So, meron pa ulit ako. I need to fix ulit for the next month. For the next destination. Yeah. Journey ko journey. Pero thank you. Thank you. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for doing it with me. Yeah. Ganun naman yung pottery. It's a community. Ganun talaga siya din-design. Ang design ng pottery. Yeah. I have so much to learn. Yeah. Just, yeah. I'm just asking for guidance. So, yep, I'm tired. I'm just sleepy now. I need to sleep. So, yep, I need to fire pa. May firing pa tomorrow. Ako mag-fire tomorrow. Okay, good night. Bye for now.